Trying for the first time these swim necklaces. You put on the neck, and this is the first time in-house. We took a little extra tryout in Dubai 2 weeks ago, but this is the first time trying it as a spa thing. So this is the spa, baby spa we're doing today. The little girl, she loves to jump with her feet and so the water's everywhere. So it might be the first time and the last time we tried this, but the babies are having a lot of fun. And then,
so are we.
Anyways, they totally love this. So bring this on a holiday. It would be perfect, or pool, or outside in the water. It's really good security for your baby. It looks a little weird, I would say, but they're having a lot of fun. They're like swimming and jumping, and I have never seen them so active in the shower here in the bath. So what can we say about this one?
It's perfect.
It's great fun.
And they can move free.
Yeah, they love to move free in the water, and the thing is, they like it because the water is so tempered to the body heat, so it's not too cold or too hot, and that's the most important when you have a bath with the baby. Miles is pushing Carla now. Carla is kicking back. All right. See you later on, baby. See you next time.